Have you ever put something in your shopping cart but you're not sure if you want it? You're so unsure, in fact, you don't even put it in a proper place. You just keep it on top of your cart just in case you want to put it back on a random shelf. Sometimes you even bring it all the way to the register, ring everything else up, and then say, "I'm sorry, I don't think I'm going to get this." Then the clerk just takes it and puts it aside and you go on your merry way. We can see people this way too. Don't let a person unsure about you keep you in their cart. You'll know they're unsure about you. They won't give you a proper place in their life. They'll always have an eye or a hand out watching for what they're really looking for. And should they find it, or think they found it, they'll put you back wherever. Probably a long way from where they originally found you, and all you got out of the deal is a little temporary hope only to be misplaced and turned around. The good news is, we're not items in a store. We can take our own selves out of an unworthy cart. Because if I'm not what you're looking for, or you don't find enough value in what I possess, then I'd rather work on my